Welcome everyone to RU Hacks 2021 closing ceremony. We just want to welcome you all. We actually had 134 projects this year, which is 50% more than last year. So we're really excited about the growth of RU Hacks. It has taken 20 plus judges to look over all of your amazing projects over the past few days. And we are really excited to share the winners and all the great projects from this past weekend.
So first, we'll be going through our sponsored hacks, where we're gonna first go through the top 25 teams. Now, these top 25 will receive some amazing benefits from Wolfram Language, who give out a 1-year subscription to the Wolfram 1 Personal Edition, as well as a 1-year subscription to the Wolfram Alpha Pro for all of your calc homework needs, am I right? Now, our swag winners will be different from our top 25 because they will be limited to North America, unfortunately. So we'll be revealing those much later and contacting you through communications@ruhacks.com. So let's move on to our sponsored categories. First of all is MOH, and MOH had 3 prizes this year for our hackathon. Firstly, hackers competed for the best domain name registered with domain.com and were eligible to win a PowerSquare wireless charger. Secondly, hackers were able to win a blue snowball microphone by building a hack using the DataStax Astra's Cassandra Made Easy service, one of the most widely used database technologies in modern computing. And finally, hackers were able to win a Grove beginner kit with embedded Arduino using your preferred hardware or hardware emulator. And without further ado, our winners for these 3 are Noise for the best domain name with runoisy.tech, which is a question I've always needed answered. Power Search for the best use of DataStax Astra, and both CamBlocker and AirDoodle for best hardware hack sponsored by DigiKey. Congratulations to all the teams. Next, we have one of our silver sponsors, Distributed Compute Labs. And they asked, what would you build with a distributed supercomputer at your fingertips? The hack in this case was to develop the best use or application of the DCP, or Distributed Compute Protocol, API. And without further ado, please check out the following video by CEO Dan Desjardins, who will be announcing our winners for us.
Hey folks, this is Dan, Executive Director of Distributed Compute Labs, and speaking on behalf of a very excited team that got to review a couple of really cool hack applications over the weekend. So RU Hacks, you all rock, and thank you for these submissions. So in particular, we're going to talk about Disk Judge, Slicks, VRTrip, and CamBlocker. Thank you very much for braving to use an emerging technology, DCP, the Distributed Compute Protocol, designed to take job workloads, spread them over devices on the edge, compute and return results easier, cheaper than cloud. First prize goes to Disk Judge. Disk Judge team, you impressed us. We liked the straightforwardness of your video. We even played with your sample app. Your video did a great job showing what you built, which we thought was awesome. If you want to work with us, we'll help build in some even more complex computations that could make the Disk Judge app ask some even cooler questions, maybe 3D rendered fractals and things like that. Second place goes to Slicks. Your outline of a project, the UI description and initial design was excellent. We think the problem you're tackling is that of detecting and characterizing microplastics is hugely apropos. We are destroying our planet and we need to take better care of it. And it starts by equipping ourselves with the right technology tools to help detect and mitigate some of the plastics that we've been littering around our landfills and our oceans and beyond. So good on all of you, and we can't wait to the next hackathon, and we'll see you around. Thank you again.
So as Dan said in the previous video, the first place team for this category is Disk Judge. Congratulations, Disk Judge. Your prize is $750 cash per team, a virtual coffee chat with CEO Dan Desjardins, who you just saw before you right now, and mentorship to continue the project with DCP credits, as well as a virtual badge for DCP certification. And The runner-up for this one, or the second choice team, is Slicks, whose prize is $250 per team, as well as all the other aforementioned benefits for the first place. Now, iBoost, another silver sponsor, is an early-stage technology incubator at Ryerson University. For their category hack, they have participants create a hack that has the potential to change our society and emphasizes problem identification and solution over all else. And after many amazing submissions, we do have our winner. Here's Jeff from iBoost to tell you all about iBoost's top pick personally.
Hi all, I'm Jeff Peng, Startup Services Manager here at the iBoost Zone at Ryerson University. At the iBoost Zone, our goal is to unite technical ingenuity with entrepreneurial acumen to help launch ventures that solve real-world problems and generate social value. Our category is meant to reflect this principle and provide participants the opportunity to develop an idea that would solve real-world problems and generate impact on our society. First off, congratulations to all of you. It was a tough decision for our judges to make. However, we did reach a verdict. On behalf of the judges in the iBoost Zone, I'd like to congratulate Katsu as the winning team. We look forward to connecting with the team and seeing how we can support them on their journey. However, for all participants, please feel free to reach out to myself to see how we at the iBoost Zone can help you take your idea to the next stage. It's been a pleasure to be a part of RU Hacks this year, and we look forward to next year's hackathon.
As Jeff said before, the winner is Katsa. Well done, Katsa. Your prize is an incubation at the iBoost Startup Incubator in Toronto. Obviously, most of the programming right now is digital, but you will still receive plenty of benefits online from iBoost after they contact you very soon. Next, we have Google Cloud. And for Google Cloud sponsor category, winners were chosen by identifying the teams with the best use of any Google Cloud product, such as Firebase. And the first place prize is a Google Cloud branded backpack, which goes to Interact AI. Congratulations, Interact. I hear it's a really nice backpack. Secondly, there are runner-up prizes, and those are actually tied between two teams, Sanitize Me and Dr. Diab.tech. The prize for this one is a Google Cloud pillow, Google Cloud beanie, socks, journal, and lanyards for every member of your team. Next, we have Coom, which is an all-in-one coding space for modern web app development where you can build projects in a browser. For their sponsor category, winners were teams that built the best web app using the Coom platform. And the first place winner for the category receives an invitation to the Coom Creator Group, a feature on the project gallery, and a one-year pro plan, while the runner-up receives an invitation to the Creator Group as well and a one-year starter plan. And the winners are Covakind for the winner, the first place prize for the category, and Assignment Zoo as the runner-up. Congratulations, teams. And finally, we have Echo AR, which is a 3D-ready cloud platform which helps manage and deliver augmented and virtual reality content to apps and devices everywhere. Say that 5 times fast. Their category hack was to build the best AR/VR application using their platform. And winners receive a $50 Amazon gift card, 1 month free business tier, and a feature in their newsletter. And the winner is Access Education. Congratulations, Access. Next, we have the category hacks, which Annie will be going over.
Hello, so for our category hacks, we have for this year, we have education, Discord bot hardware, and UI UX. So to start, we'll be starting with the education hack. This category focused on creating a project that would help to improve virtual learning for students. And the winner for this one is Augmented. Congratulations, Augmented. Your prize is a Blue Yeti mic set. So it comes with the mic and the arm itself for each member of the team. Our next category is Discord bot. So this one focused on creating a Discord bot that is creative, practical, and beneficial to those using Discord. And our winner for that is Discord Learn. Congratulations. You will all win a mini fridge. And that mini fridge is 6 liters large. Crazy. Next, for our category, we have hardware. The only way to really qualify for this is that your project would have to interact with hardware. And I'm excited to announce that the winner for this one is Augmented. Congratulations. Each member of the team will be receiving a portable monitor. It is 15.6 inches in dimensions. So it's going to be really useful for when you want to just do some projects on the go. So we hope you really enjoyed that. And finally, for our categories, we have UI and UX. The project for this one, it was the one that was chosen that had the best use of visual design principles and consideration for user experience. And the winner is HotSpotter. Congratulations, HotSpotter. Each member of the team will be receiving a desk mat. You can actually choose your own desk mat as long as it's under $40 Canadian, and we will email all of you about some details regarding that. And that's it for category hacks.
So, the moment you've all been waiting for, the top 3 teams. We're not going to waste any more time. So, without further ado, let's go to the 3rd place prize, which we've hyped up with the help of our good friend Egbert on the bongos. And the 3rd place prize goes to Codemigo. Congratulations, Codemigo. Your prize is a Seagate 4 terabyte external hard drive, which I know will be really useful for your coding and hacking in the future. So all of you will be receiving this hard drive, and you'll get an email from communications after the event itself to confirm the details. Next up is our 2nd place.
So our 2nd place winner is Dimension. Congratulations, Dimension. You will all win a Nintendo Switch. So we really hope you have fun with that. We are really, really impressed with your project, and we're really happy that you were able to create something like that at RUHacks.
I'm a little jealous of them, honestly. And finally, the 1st place prize. Now, the members of our 1st place team will not only receive the grand prize, but they will also receive $1,000 of bubble credit for 6 months, a 1-year MapleSoft license per member, and 1 ticket to Pinnacle, the Olympics of Hackathon, for every member of the team. So, without further ado, our 1st place prize is
Accessilearn VR. Congratulations. We were all super impressed with your project. The judges were also very, very impressed. And we are happy to announce all of you will be winning the new iPad Pro 11-inch, 128 gigabytes. So we really hope that using the iPad will be able to help you with any future projects, any schoolwork, any work, really anything in your life. So we hope you enjoy it. We just wanted to give a reminder once again, all winning teams, you will be getting an email directly from the communications email at communications@ruhacks.com for any shipping related information. So just keep an eye out for those emails. If you have any questions before you get that email, feel free to reach us again at communications@ruhacks.com.
And we just wanted to thank a lot of you. So firstly, the sponsors, judges, mentors, and workshop hosts who were able to come out to this event and stay with us for 48 hours or even beyond. Honestly, thank you so much. You make our hackathon so much more engaging and interesting to all the hackers. And really, I think without a lot of you, it wouldn't be that interesting, you know? So we really wanted to thank so many of you for coming out and doing this for us and dedicating so many hours to make this event as great as it could be. Thank you.
We also just want to shout out our team, the 19 of us. We have been working on RUHacks for the past 8 months now, and Johnny and I are just so excited that we were able to create an event of, I guess, like this magnitude. And we just want to thank you. We just want to thank everyone on our team. It's been a long 8 months, but we were able to do it all, and we really couldn't have done it without all of you. And we just want to say thank you once again. It was really, really great working with all of you and getting to know you. And we're gonna miss all of you. So we just wanted to say that.
And finally, we wanted to thank all of you, the hackers, for actually coming out to this event and for participating with us. We honestly do everything we do for you. Without you, there would be no event. So thank you all for continuing to support us over the years and for coming out to the event. I know that for a lot of you, this was pretty much right after exams. So I was just honored that you guys would choose to spend your time with us after, you know, all of your exams and stuff where you could just be sleeping through the day. And we were super impressed with a lot of the projects this year. So yeah, thank you once again for coming out. And because Annie and I won't be here next year, we've actually graduated, and the new co-chairs are Jason and Ella, who we're sure will do an amazing job next year. We'll miss all of you, you know, we're gonna miss doing this, but We're super excited to see where the future goes for RU Hacks, and we hope to see all of you back for RU Hacks 2022.
Bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone.